Fresco technique for stucco and decorative plaster is only made possible by using high-quality products formulated with traditional methods. Rialto Epoca Spatolato stucco and Rialto Antiqua 1 plaster combine perfectly thanks to the content of pure seasoned slaked magnesium lime. They are suitable for decorations with Fresco antique method, made contemporary by the creative possibilities that it offers. Start on a smooth surface made with Rialto Antiqua 1 lamato. After at least 24 hours, but not later than 2 to 3 days, homogeneously dampen the support with clean water sprayed as mist. Now apply a minimum quantity of Rialto Epoca Spatolato with a stainless steel trowel. The dampened plaster will facilitate the flow of the tool, but most importantly, the slaked lime present within the stucco will closely bind with the not yet carbonated slaked lime present in the plaster. This process will create a decorative system composed of the two materials now linked into a unique, firm, strong, and highly breathable body. This technique can be realized with plaster and stucco colors similar to each other, or contrasted. The hue choice and the application style can lead to unique and elegant walls characterized by endless charm. The surface obtained, typically smooth and compact, can be further polished with trowel or spatula. Dampen the tool with some drops of water and proceed with the polishing, initially by pushing the tool gently and then more firmly, in order to liven the texture up and enhance the brightness. The naturalness of these materials allows to produce ancient decorative techniques from the Italian classic tradition, when the skillful hands of the master artisan used to give birth to refined effects through blending of different colors. For example, the addition of 5% of natural powder of coccio pesto to Rialto Antiqua 1 white, just before the use, creates the basis for puntinato effect that may be refined with Rialto Epoca Spatolato white stucco, with the fresco technique previously explained.